What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to cancel subscription in Shopify. Now first thing you should do is to simply head to Shopify dashboard, and what I want you to do is to simply go up on the top right corner right here and click on your name, and here you will find many options. Just click on manage account. Then go here to security on the left side, and what you should do right now is to simply scroll down till you find here devices option, and make sure to log out from any other devices that you are not using right now. So here in my case, I have just logged in using this device, so I'm not going to log out of it because I'm using it right now. And the second thing is to turn off the two-step authentication, and you can also remove any secondary emails just for security purposes. Now go back to Shopify dashboard and go to the bottom left corner where you can find settings option. Click on it, then here you will find many options related to your store. Then choose plan right here, and here because I'm having a free trial, I will simply click on cancel trial. But let's say that you have subscribed to a specific plan in Shopify, you will find here your plan, and down below you will find deactivate store. First, before you deactivate your store, you should first uninstall any applications that you have added to your store, just in order to avoid taking more money from your account. Even after deactivating the store or deleting it, these applications can charge you for more money. So be careful of this point and uninstall all the applications that you have installed. After that, it will show you these three options. You should now click on deactivate store. Then it will ask you about the main reason why you are closing the store. You can choose whatever thing that you want, then click on continue. And after that, it will show you this message right here that you will no longer have access to Shopify admin, including your sales data, reports, or product and customer information. So I advise you all to make sure that you have no money or no shipments or orders on hold on your store, just in order to avoid losing them. Then click on deactivate store, and after that will show you this message right here. And don't worry, this won't delete all of your data permanently, but you can reopen it again, and you can reopen your store if you want to. Just all you have to do is to start selling again and buy another plan, just in case you changed your mind, and your store information will be stored for 2 years. After the 2 years, it will be deleted permanently in case you didn't buy another plan to this store. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.